Hello everyone and welcome back to the Perfect French with Dylan. Today on this grammar lesson we're gonna learn 20 sentences with avoir, to have. We are going to review really quickly conjugation of the verb to have, present tense. If you want to know more about conjugation, I have a lot of videos on my channel about conjugation. The first one you should watch is obviously the pronoun subject. Then you have être et avoir if you need more details. You have the verb in er. I have a lot of videos on this subject, so I'm just going to leave the link of the playlist about conjugation in the description box. You can go and choose whatever you want to learn. Don't forget that you can get the PDF for this lesson and all the lessons on my channel on theperfectfrench.com right here. It's free, you just need to go and grab them. What we are gonna see today is the different way to use avoir. When we use avoir, well, maybe you use to be on those kind of sentences that are quite different, but are really useful to know. Alright, let's review quickly. Avoir, to have. J'ai, tu as, il a, elle a, on a, don't forget the link here, on a, same thing for this one, nous avons, vous avez, ils ont, elles ont. So if you don't understand why I link words like that, I have a video how to read in French. I'm gonna put it in the description box as well. The first one we're gonna see right now is avoir chaud. Avoir chaud, to be warm. So when with chaud, we use avoir, you use to be. For example, le chien a chaud. Le chien a chaud. The dog is warm. Same thing for this one, chaud, froid, avoir froid. Avoir froid, to be cold. And the sentence, j'ai froid. J'ai froid. I am cold. Numéro 3, avoir honte de. So here we don't pronounce the H. Avoir honte de. To be ashamed of. For example, elle a honte de ses notes. Elle a honte de ses notes. She is ashamed of her grades. Numéro 4, avoir l'air de. Avoir l'air de. To seem. Il a l'air content. Il a l'air content. He seems happy. Numéro 5, avoir mal. Avoir mal. So mal is pain. Pain. Avoir mal. So we use mal for a lot of things. J'ai mal à la tête, j'ai mal au ventre, j'ai mal à la jambe. That's how we express pain. But you say to be in pain. To be in pain. So if I want to say that she's in a lot of pain, I will say elle a très mal. Elle a très mal. Numéro 6, avoir besoin de. Avoir besoin de. So when I say de at the end of something like that, that means that we always use it with de. I don't want to be too confusing, but I would rather you to learn avoir besoin de than just learn avoir besoin. It means to need. To need. And I feel like it's everybody. J'ai besoin de vacances. J'ai besoin de vacances. I need a vacation. Numéro 7. Avoir peur de. Avoir peur de. To be afraid of. Il a peur du noir. Il a peur du noir. He's afraid of the dark. Numéro 8. Avoir hâte. Hâte, accent circonflexe. Avoir hâte de means to look forward to. For example, j'ai hâte de finir ce projet. J'ai hâte de finir ce projet. And after the, it's infinitive verbs. So no conjugation on this one. J'ai hâte de finir ce projet. Numéro 9. Avoir tort. Avoir tort. To be wrong. Il a tort de ne pas étudier. Il a tort de ne pas étudier. So I hope you study French enough too. Il a tort de ne pas étudier. Numéro 10. Avoir raison. Avoir raison. To be right. Il a totalement raison. Il a totalement raison. He's totally right. Numéro 11. Avoir l'habitude de. Avoir l'habitude de. To be used to. For example, j'ai l'habitude de manger à 19 heures. J'ai l'habitude de manger à 19 heures. I'm used to eat at 7 p.m. If you don't understand why I said 19, it's basically 12 plus 7, because in Europe we use 24-hour clock. Numéro 12. Avoir sommeil. Avoir sommeil. To be sleepy. Nous avons sommeil. Nous avons sommeil. Numéro 13. Avoir envie de. Avoir envie de. To feel like. For example, il a envie d'un café. Il a envie d'un café. He feels like a coffee. Il a envie d'un café. Numéro 14. Avoir horreur de. Avoir horreur de. To hate. Il a horreur de la chimie. Il a horreur de la chimie. He hates chemistry. Numéro 15. Avoir 32 ans. To be 32 years old. J'ai 32 ans. I am 32 years old. Numéro 16. Avoir faim. Avoir faim. To be hungry. Elle a tout le temps faim. Elle a tout le temps faim. She's always hungry. Numéro 17. Avoir soif. Avoir soif. To be thirsty. And if you want to ask the question, as-tu soif? As-tu soif? Are you thirsty? Numéro 18. Avoir besoin de. Avoir besoin de. To need. J'ai besoin de nouvelles chaussures. J'ai besoin de nouvelles chaussures. I need new shoes. Numéro 19. Avoir de la chance. Avoir de la chance. I put this one there because 19, I was born on the 19th. So it's my lucky number. Avoir de la chance. To be lucky. For example, vous avez beaucoup de chance. Vous avez beaucoup de chance. Numéro 20. Avoir l'intention de. Avoir l'intention de. To intend. J'ai l'intention de venir demain. J'ai l'intention de venir demain. Don't forget to get the PDF on my website so you can review whenever you feel like you need to. Leave me a comment if you have a question about French, about everything. I will do my best to help you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, it really helps my channel. I post all those videos a week except listening practice because I'm finishing my book right now, which is supposed to come out in December, and I don't have time to make 4 videos a week, so for now it's only 3. You can connect with me on my Instagram, my Facebook page, my YouTube channel is this one, and I will see you soon for another lesson.